Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 10,000 likes. Human vision vs marine animal vision. How the sea animals see the world. Whales vision. Whales only have one cone which is sensitive to green light, so they see in black and white, in light and dark. They have one cone and one rod, both of which are sensitive to light in the blue-green range of the color spectrum. They match their cones and rods to the color of the water. To them, everything is bright. This means that anything that looks blue or green to the human eye is invisible in the water to whales. The one color that whales can see as a dark shape in their bright watery environment is red. Copepods, the main food source for right whales, are red, allowing whales to see a group of them as a dark mass. The advanced development of the whale's eyes allows these marine mammals to perceive light in a very effective and efficient manner, making it easier for them to see in dark areas and at much greater depth than land mammals. Fish vision. Vision is an important sensory system for most species of fish. Fish eyes are similar to the eyes of terrestrial vertebrates like birds and mammals, but have more spherical lens. Birds and mammals normally adjust focus by moving the lens closer to or further from the retina. Fish retinas generally have both rod cell and cone cells, and most species have color vision. Some fish can see ultraviolet and some are sensitive to polarized light. Fish can have up to 4 different types of cones, one of which detects ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet cones are used to detect plankton, although not all have. Some species only have them when they are larvae and others only during certain stages of adulthood. When a mammal wants to change the focus of its eyes for a nearby object to a distant one, it uses special muscles to change the shape of the lens, thus changing the part of the light entering the eye which will be land perfectly on the retinas. Because the lens of a fish eye is fixed in shape, it cannot do this. So instead it moves the lens backwards or forwards like camera. Shark vision. A shark's eyes are almost on completely different sides of its head, so the shark has a nearly 360-degree field of vision. The shark does have 2 major blind spots, which are right in front of the snout and right behind the head. And because sharks can only see about 50 feet or 15 meters ahead, the sense of sight is really only important to a shark once it has closed in on its prey. One very important features of shark sight is the tapetum lucidum, which is how sharks are able to see in the low light created by murky or deep waters. The tapetum lucidum, located behind the retina, is made up of mirrored crystals. When light goes through the retina and hits the crystals, it reflected back onto the retina, gives shark a second chance to see. Their study shows that although the eyes of sharks function over a wide range of light levels, they only have a single long wavelength sensitive cone type in the retina and therefore are potentially totally colorblind. It makes sense that shark might be colorblind. Many aquatic predators are also appear to be colorblind, which may be because color vision isn't much used in their mostly blue-green environments. Octopus vision. The primary structures of an octopus eye are the iris, lens, vitreous gel, pigment cells, photoreceptors, retina and the optic nerve, which are similar to human eye structures. Octopus focuses its eye by moving its lens. This is almost identical to the way that you would focus a telescope or camera. A movable lens allows for an octopus to focus much quicker on an object even if it is moving away from or approaching its position. An octopus vision focus has a natural target lock capability. Due to the octopus movable lens used for focusing, octopus eyes do not have corneas and octopus do not have a blind spot like humans have. So octopus has a full range of vision without the blind spot. Octopus possess only one type of photoreceptor in their eyes. We human possess 3 types of photoreceptor in our eyes, each exclusively sensitive to red, blue and green light. So this make their vision allowed them to only see the world in black and white or in shades of blue because the individual type of photoreceptor of the octopus is sensitive to blue light. Dolphins vision. Dolphins' retina contain both rod cell and cone cells, indicating that they may have the ability to see in both dim and bright light. Researchers theorize that the dolphins lack S-cone cells and therefore aren't able to discriminate color in the blue wavelength. Dolphins' eyes have a well-developed tapetum lucidum, a light-reflecting layer that reflects light through the retina a second time, adapting their vision to low light levels. Dolphins are primarily monocular, using one eye to process visual stimuli, but also possess the capability for binocular vision when both eyes are coordinated for vision. Evidence suggests that bottlenose dolphins use their right eye predominantly for approaching an investigation when processing visual information. Starfish vision. While it may not look like starfish have eyes, they do. Although they are not like our eyes. A starfish has eye spots that cannot see much in the way or details but can detect light and dark. These eye spots are at the tip of each of the starfish arms. That means that a 5-armed starfish has 5 eye spots and a 40-armed starfish has 40. Starfish can't detect color. They don't have the color detecting cones that human eyes do. So they are colorblind and see only light and dark. They also can't see fast moving objects as their eyes work slowly. If something swims by them fast, they simply won't detect it. They can't see any details because they have so few light detecting cells. Each eye of the starfish has a large field of vision. If all of their eyes weren't blocked, they could see for 360 degrees around themselves. They could probably limit their field of vision using their other 2 feet on each arm as blinders. Starfish likely see just enough to be able to get to where they want to be on a rock or a coral reef where they can feed. Mantis shrimp vision. Mantis shrimp have unusual eyes. Most famously, they have 16 color receptors compared to a human's 3. Oddly, they are not that good at distinguishing between colors, but they can detect another property of light invisible to humans, that is polarization. The rock mantis shrimp has 6 photoreceptors dedicated to ultraviolet part of the spectrum, each one tuned to a different wavelength. That's the most complex UV detecting system found in nature. Clams vision. Clams observe the world through several hundred tiny pinhole eyes along the edge of their soft bodies. Pinhole eyes are the shape of a deep cup and have a narrow opening but no lens. They are just one of an enormous variety of eyes owned by animals such as slugs, snails, oysters, and octopuses, which demonstrate different steps in eye evolution. Although giant clams are sensitive to 3 different colors of light, they are unable to combine the information. Instead, they see colorful but undefined images. However, their eyes are able to detect nearby movement so that the clams can take action by closing their shell. Beluga whales vision. Beluga whales have acute vision both in and out of the water. Beluga whale eye is particularly adapted for seeing in water. In air, certain features of this lens and cornea correct for the nearsightedness that results from the refraction of light rays as they go from water to air. A beluga whale's retina contains both rod and cone cells, indicating that they may have the ability to see in both dim and bright light. Beluga whales lack short wavelength sensitive visual pigment in their cone cells, indicating a more limited capacity for color vision than most land mammals. Beluga whales have glands at the inner corners of the eye socket and oily jelly-like mucus that lubricates the eyes and washes away debris. This tear-like film may also protect the eyes from infectious organisms. Cuttlefish vision. Cuttlefish cannot see color. They can perceive the polarization of light, which enhances their perception of contrast. They have 2 spots of concentrated sensor cells on their retinas, one to look more forward and one to look more backward. The eyes of cuttlefish contain just one kind of color sensitive protein, apparently restricting them to a black and white view of the world. When we focus our eyes, the shape of the lens changes. In cuttlefish, the lens actually changes position. And unlike us, they have eyes that face in opposite directions, producing full 360-degree vision. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. See you again.